Lead generation is the process of gathering information about potential clients or customers in a eted manner. Effective lead generation empowers your company to be proactive in engaging with potential consumers. You can use effective lead generation techniques to build up a responsive base of contacts that are potential customers. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about grow your business with effective lead generation techniques. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Learn how to create an effective lead generation campaign. You might think that creating lead generations is a simple task. However, it isn't until you get lost in the maze of information available online that it starts to get difficult. The good news is that there are many ways you can begin to engage your business or brand online. You just need to know what is effective and what isn't. The following are common ways to generate information for lead generation. Blogs. One way to get leads out of blogging is by providing information through a blog. A blog is an excellent source of connecting with people. Many business owners like to blog because they like to express their opinions. If you are able to write well, you can build a blog that can attract potential customers to your business. Twitter. Another tool that you can use for lead generation is by using Twitter. You can start a Twitter account and post short notes throughout the day. People tend to read Twitter updates more than regular blogs because they are quicker and snappier. Once you have the basics of creating a Twitter account, you can then start interacting with potential customers. However, you don't want to use Twitter to announce products or services for your business. Forums. Taking a look at some forums might seem like a strange way to generate information about your business, but there are actually quite a few forums out there. Remember, people love to chat and get information from each other. Find forums that have a good number of posts by current customers, and then join up in those forums. Look for topics related to your niche, and then provide helpful information about your industry. This is one of the most effective lead generation methods out there, and it works extremely well if you are friendly and provides value in your forum posts. Blogs and Twitter are great ways to get information out to your potential customers, but they won't do you any good unless you have someone read them. If you don't have anyone who regularly reads your blog or Twitter account, these methods won't do you much good. That's why the person who reads your information will be the most effective lead generator you can have. To create an effective lead generation campaign, you need to have someone read the information that you provide them. How can you find someone who will read your information? One way is to make sure that you have a blog or website that is of good quality. When you go over your site, make sure it is professional looking and is filled with information that is of value to your visitors. Also, make sure that your information is as detailed and honest as possible. Many people try to market their businesses using too good to be true information, but it doesn't work very well. Just make sure that your content is solid and reliable, and that it will draw in people to visit your site. Another way to create an effective lead generation campaign is to participate in online forums. Go and put in searches for your industry, and then participate in discussions. Ask questions, offer advice, and be helpful to other members of the forum. You will soon find yourself gaining more credibility, and people will begin to take you as a source of quality information about your industry. These are just a couple of good ways to prove your business with effective lead generation techniques. Thanks for watching my video about grow your business with effective lead generation techniques. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.